every time we hit a resistance, we just dump back down to this price point. I'm so thankful that I was able to mark it out for you guys initially a couple weeks back or a week ago or so, because it actually has been acting as a support. Now, when I made my video yesterday, simple. If we didn't get that dump and price closed above this, we would have just bust through. When you lose this, you look at the next key levels of support below this point. So that would be the moving averages, this ray of some sort. However, we actually, within that same candle, dip down below this point, and luckily enough, this support is already prepared. We also used the $100 psychological level, and then as we started dumping back down to the inverse head and shoulders neckline, we found this double layer of defense, how there are actually two areas of support in this area. So that's why we keep getting bought up every time we tap it. Will it happen again? Let's see. That would be quite funny. But what I am liking that I am seeing, at least, I know we really needed to actually close above 120 if we just want to continue in the immediate short term. And today we tried. And of course, you're now seeing act as resistance. So I'm going to maintain my bias that $100 above this price point, eventually 130 will give in. We also didn't close down here. We actually reclaimed this level as well as the moving averages. So we're just basically, after breaking out of this double bottom neckline over here, pulling back to it, holding it as support for bullish continuation. Of course, a loss of the 200 EMA right down there and the neckline would be negative, but you'd still have the chance to reaccumulate for another go, making an even larger double bottom potentially. Now, if we go ahead and lose $100, it's not the greatest. You can see next levels are prepared from a few months ago, 95, 87, and so on. But while we are above 100, I'm just going to stay with the same stance that I have been having literally as we were accumulating down here to get the move up, which is hold this low. And it says it over here and it's been saying it for months. Hold it and we will just eventually push through this high. Simple as that, heading eventually to 200 and the all-time high. Not much more to say, really, guys. If you want to get involved in more exciting projects, then I've got like 25, 30 in the Discord community. I support you guys daily in there, day and night. I've got multiple six-figure students in there sharing their own trade and investment ideas. We've also got live streams twice a week. Just did one yesterday with over 20 people tuning into the actual live stream. So yeah, links down below. It's only $25 a month, and there are many other projects that are more exciting than this if you want to diversify a bit more. Cheers, everyone.